hope you're well and having the most incredible day. As always, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new watching this video, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button. We are on our way to 9.8 thousand of you, which is absolutely insane. So if you haven't subscribed, make sure you do. But today's video is so exciting because we are back with another Lush haul, and I bought the entire Easter collection. The entire thing. So today we're going to be unboxing it. I haven't opened, I haven't smelt, I haven't even peeked inside this box. So without further ado, we're going to dive right in, grab yourself a snack, and I hope you enjoy the video. So the first item in the box is this. This is the Disco Duck Bath Bomb, and it's very cute. I still don't really understand the design of this. A few of you guys said it was supposed to look like a disco ball. A few of you guys said it was supposed to look like a pineapple. I just don't really understand the correlation between a disco duck and pineapple and the colours of this. But anyway, we're going to give it a smell and see what she smells like. She kind of smells... Okay, this basically smells like Albus oil or Vicks or anything of that nature that unblocks your nose when you have a cold. That's what this smells like. Let me know if you guys agree, but that literally just smells like Albus oil, so I don't know how I feel about that. I mean, if you've got a cold, wait. It's like Albus oil mixed with like licorice and like aniseed. That's what this smells like. It's not a bad smell. Is it my favourite? I don't think so. Ingredients wise, this one has juniper berry oil, Parisian lime oil, rosemary oil, menthol crystals, which is what I can definitely smell, guarana seed oil, I think that's how you pronounce it, popping candy, water, cream of tartar, cornstarch, etc. Like, I'm a bit confused. This one confuses me. I don't hate it, I just don't get it in relation to Easter. I also forgot to say that price wise this one is £4, so it's definitely more of a pricey bath bomb. I feel like a few years ago this would have been like a £2.50 situation, but yeah, £4 for this one. So the next item is the soap for the Easter range, and that is the Flowering Carrot Soap, and ingredients wise this one has fair trade organic cocoa butter, extra virgin coconut oil, castor oil, olive oil, bergamot oil, buchu oil, Sicilian lemon oil, carrot powder, which I didn't even think was a thing, and gardenia extract. Let's give it a smell. This just smells like carrot soap. Carrot soap in my head is a scent family at Lush. It smells like carrot soap, snowman, jelly, that kind of smell. I mean, it is that exact smell, so it's not that kind of smell, it is that smell, but very fresh, fruity, not like pure carrot. It's really good. I like that, and I really, really like the design, so definitely would repurchase that for sure. I like that more than the little duck thing, so yeah, really cute. Price wise, this one is £6, so it is relatively expensive, but actually compared to all the other soaps it is kind of on par, especially for the size, so I do really like it. I really like the smell. Yeah, I would definitely repurchase that. I think that's worth it in my opinion. The next item in the box is the Funfetti Cake Lip Scrub. This is a repeat from last year, and I loved this so much. I cannot wait to smell it and taste it. I'm so excited. But ingredients wise, this one has organic jojoba oil, peach kernel oil, icing sugar, extra virgin coconut oil, Sicilian lemon oil, and vanilla absolute, and extra fine sea salt. From what I can remember, this tasted exactly like those sweets that we used to have. I don't know whether in other countries you have them, but in the UK they were in a cardboard box, and they were like little they were just like little sticks, and they're kind of white and have like a dusting on them. That is exactly what this tastes like. And price exactly what it tastes like. Yeah, exactly what this tastes like, English. And price wise, these are £6.50. They have gone up quite a lot in price. When I used to buy them, when I used to work there, they were only £5, so let's see if it was worth it. Let's give it a taste, because I feel like that's what we're all here for, isn't it? So let's give it a taste. Yeah, so good. Oh my goodness, I could eat this. I am gonna eat it, to be honest. It's just so good. It tastes exactly like those little matchstick sweets that we used to get. I used to love them. It's exactly the same. I love this. It tastes like sweets, and I absolutely love it. Absolutely unreal. I love the taste of this. I wouldn't necessarily say this is my absolute favourite, but it's definitely my top 5, so I love that. Definitely worth it in my opinion. Oh, that's a glittery one. Okay, we're gonna have to just do it, aren't we? Okay, wait. I need to mentally prepare myself to touch this, because I feel like if I blow on it, if I touch my clothes, It's just gonna go everywhere. So next up we have the Golden Egg Bath Bomb. Now I do have to admit that this is a lot less glittery than it used to be. This is definitely more of a luster as opposed to the pure gold glitter that we used to get. So I am actually a little bit surprised and kind of relieved because I hate touching this so much. I love glitter, but when I'm trying to film like a few videos, glitter gets everywhere. Oh, it smells so good though. Price wise, this one is £4.50. Definitely quite expensive for the size because they have gotten a little bit smaller over the years, but ingredients wise, this one has bergamot oil, Brazilian orange oil, water, corn protein. I think that's basically it. But it smells like caramel, toffee, vanilla, cupcakes, basically anything edible. This smells so incredibly good. I love that, and I am so thankful that they've gotten rid of all that gold thick glitter because it just wasn't a bit of me and it got stuck to the bath. I mean, yes, I am getting it on my fingers, but it's definitely not as bad as it used to be, but it smells delish. So 10 out of 10, I still am obsessed. Yummy. The next item is this one. This is the Follow the White Rabbit Bath Bomb, and this one is, I believe, £4. Definitely more worth your money, I think, for the size because it is a little bit bigger, but it looks beautiful. It has some absolutely stunning colours on the side. It goes from blue to pink to yellow to red, and it smells really good. We've definitely had this smell before, I think, but I can't pinpoint what that smell is. It does smell really good though, and ingredients wise, this one has popping candy, titanium dioxide, cream of tartar, bergamot oil, buchu oil, Sicilian lemon oil, and cornstarch. But it smells really good, really fresh, very light. It's not an overpowering smell. So if you know somebody that you need to buy a gift for that doesn't like those really strong in your face kind of smells, this one's really good, and it's going to be absolutely beautiful in the water as well. So it's really sort of a nice combo, you know. But yeah, I really like that. Really nice. Oh, delish. Yum. The next item is another glittery one, and this is the Easter Bunny Bubble Bar. This one was, I believe, £6, so it is somewhat quite expensive, but it is a big bubble bar, so I will kind of give it credit, like it is going to give me maybe 3 to 4 baths, which is probably worth the £6. And ingredients wise, this one has cornstarch, grapefruit oil, lime oil, juniper berry oil, gardenia extract, and I think that's basically it. Let's give it a smell. I've heard this smells like the pumpkin bubble bar. Was that what it was called? Pumpkin bubble bar? Yes, pumpkin bubble bar, which was amazing. So let's give it a smell and see if it actually smells like it. If it doesn't, I'm gonna be so upset. No, it does. Oh, so good. This smells, it's hard to describe it because the ingredients in my head don't just like explain how it smells. It's like spicy and warming but really sweet at the same time. It's not like a Christmas smell, but the pumpkin spice bubble bar, it's not even called pumpkin spice bubble bar. The pumpkin bubble bar will always be a Halloween smell. So it just smells like Halloween to me, like October vibe, but it's fruity, if that makes any sense. It's just a very fruity smell. It's really good though. And I love that. I love the sparkles, although they are a little bit thick and messy for my liking, but I do really like it, and it is like a little rabbit with another superhero mask and cape on. Really cute. Oh, it just smells heavenly. Absolutely delish. My fingers, however, not delish, covered in glitter. Absolutely no thanks. Next up we have the Flying Carrot Bath Bomb, which this little guy just doesn't really fit very well, but we're gonna try not to fall out. This one is £6.50, so it is more of an expensive bath bomb, and I have said before how I'm not really a fan of this style bath bomb for myself because storing them is a pain, and I just would rather it be like wedged in there, do you know what I mean? Or I don't know. I do like the fact that I can use this in 2 baths, definitely worth the money, but I find that like storing them like this is just impossible, so I do just sort of take them apart straight away anyway, and I don't use all of this in one bath because I see that as a very big waste. So I like the idea, I just don't like how I have to store it like this because it is really annoying. Ingredients wise, this one has popping candy, Sicilian lemon oil, rosewood oil, lemon myrtle oil, carrot powder, cream of tartar, and I think that's it. So let's give it a smell and see what it smells like. Ooh, not what I expected whatsoever. It smells to me like Monsters Ball, but not. Like, actually, wait. It smells like Dragon's Egg and like Avo Bath. Is it Avo Bath scented? It basically smells like Avo Bath. Smells really good. A little bit basic for my liking. Like, I kind of would have loved it to have smelled like Monsters Ball. But it's fresh, it's crisp, it's a lovely light smell, but very fruity, if that makes sense. Like, I love the smell, but I expected more. Do you know what I mean? I do really like it, but it's okay. Not my fave, not my least fave. It's just an okay bath bomb. The next item is the Down the Rabbit Hole body scrub. Now, I'm not gonna lie to you, this does not feel scrubby at all. It's actually melting in my fingers, so I am gonna have to put this down in a second. But ingredients wise, this one has cocoa butter, shea butter, ground rice, organic ilipi butter, I think that's how you pronounce it, buchu oil, sweet wild orange oil, raspberry seed oil, bergamot oil. Smells different. I don't know if I like it. It smells like a mix of fruit and like plastic. Like, I'm not gonna lie. Not my fave. Not my favourite. I'm gonna put that down there because it's melting my fingers and I don't want that to be going absolutely everywhere, but it feels really good. It's got a very fine scrub, like almost sand textured, but I don't like that smell. Not for me. No thank you. Moving on. Next up, moving on, we have, ooh, okay, this one, absolutely beautiful. This is the Flamingo Egg Bath Bomb, and ingredients wise, this one weighs a lot, my goodness. She's heavy, like this is really good. This one is £5 by the way, and it weighs loads. I think you could definitely cut this in half, so definitely worth the money. And ingredients wise, this one has coarse sea salt, Sicilian lemon oil, vetiver oil, water, titanium dioxide, cornstarch. Let's give it a smell. See, everyone says this smells like Snow Fairy, but to me this smells like Creamy Candy Bubble Bar, which is a completely different smell. Don't come for me, but it is a different smell. Definitely Creamy Candy. With like a little bit of something else. It's like Creamy Candy with a twist. So good though. Very sweet. If you don't like sweet smells, you will not like this. So Kelsey, you would not have liked this. So it's good that you didn't buy it because you would not have enjoyed it. But guys, if you love sweet smells, this is up your street. How beautiful. It's stunning. So pretty. It's got like chunks of, I don't even know what that is, like sea salt or something that's dyed. It's so beautiful. I absolutely love it. The glitter on it is like iridescent and thick. You've got one side pink, one side blue. Amazing. So good. Honestly, I love that. The next item I am beyond excited about, and that is the What's Up Doc Shower Gel. This tiny bottle cost me £7 and that is for 120 grams. I do find that Lush shower gels are expensive, but I do love a Lush shower gel. You guys know this. I'm a big Lush shower gel fan. I just cannot control myself. And I'm very impressed that I only ever buy the small sizes now. So pat on the back for me. Very impressed. Ingredients wise, this one has fresh carrot infusion, bergamot oil, lime oil, violet leaf absolute, carrot seed oil, and carrot juice. Is it going to smell like a giant carrot? Let's find out. I'm so excited. Let's go. Shut up. That smells so good. Okay, it doesn't smell like carrot. It's so fruity. Oh my goodness. What is that smell? I can't even describe it to you. Okay, let me try and describe it. Hang on. Bubblegummy, but fruity. If you could get a tropical bubblegum, that's what this smells like. Absolutely delish. I'm so annoyed I didn't get a large bottle of that because that is such a beautiful smell. If you like fruity, slightly sweet fragrances, you will love this. It's not sweet in the sense of like the Comforter or Snow Fairy. It is completely different. It's like a sweeter version of Brightside. It almost smells like when you mix Brightside and the Comforter together. It's a very similar smell to that. It is so beyond beautiful and I love it. So if you haven't tried this, buy it. Honestly, if you like sweet smells, you will love this. So good. The next item is something a little bit different for Lush, and I'm really, really excited to have one and give it a try, and that is the Carrot Stick Lip Oil. Now, a few years ago, I mean like a good few years ago, Lush came out with the Christmas ones in the balm form, and I never got around to using them, and I actually had to throw them away, which was so gutting, but they were more of a stain. This is a lip oil, and ingredients-wise, these are £5. So they're relatively like a decent price, so love that. But ingredients wise, this one has organic castor oil, jojoba oil, sunflower wax, candelia wax, sandalwood oil, grapefruit oil, parsley seed oil, cold pressed carrot seed oil, and other bits and pieces. I'm gonna have to give this a smell because I just must. It would be a crime not to, let's be honest. Oh, okay, this one smells just really natural. It's not an overly strong fragrance. It just smells really neutral, a little bit carroty, but not. It's really good, and it's a beautiful colour. Absolutely stunning. I would put this on, but this is actually my mum's, so I won't, but yeah, it smells really good. Wow, love that. Beautiful. Great idea. And last but definitely not least, which is something I am so excited about, and that is the Gummy Bear Shower Jelly. I can't believe Lush had never done this before because I feel like this is something that they needed to do. This was £5.50 and I'm so excited to smell it, but ingredients wise we have got coconut milk, carrageenan extract, fresh mango juice, cardamom oil, cuba oil, sweet wild orange oil, gardenia extract, buchu oil. Let's give it a smell. I'm so excited. I would pull this out, but I would get absolutely covered. But oh my god, it's so cute. I have to get it out. I don't want to break it. Is there any liquid in this, or are we okay? Oh, there is quite a bit. Okay. Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I can't get it out. There's too much liquid in here, but this is the most adorable thing I have ever seen. Can you see it? Oh my goodness. That's so cute. If you're gonna get anything from this range, this is adorable. Can you guys see him? Oh, he's so cute. The smell. Okay, wow. This smells good. This smells like a fruit salad. Like fruit salad sweets. Yeah. Oh, heaven. Oh my. I want to inhale the entire smell of that. That smells... my mouth's watering. That is so good. That smells fruity, delicious, amazing. It looks adorable. If you're gonna buy anything from this range, honestly, this is so good. And I don't even like shower jellies like as they are. I much prefer cutting them up, but I couldn't dare to cut him. He's so cute. That smells delish. Amazing. Unreal. So that is everything for the Lush Easter range of 2022. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please let me know down below what you're buying from the range, what you want to get, what you don't really like the look of, what you love, what you didn't. Any thoughts and opinions on this range, let me know in the comments. I will reply to every single one. So yes, let me know your thoughts and opinions down below. Obviously, if you haven't subscribed, please make sure you do. It would absolutely make my day, and I just really, really want to hit 10,000 subscribers this year. It is my goal, and I would be so thankful if you could subscribe if you haven't already and join my little family on the internet. And also, I do have a giveaway going on right now, so make sure you enter that. It's on my channel if you haven't seen it, but yes, enter the giveaway, subscribe if you haven't, and yeah. So I hope you guys liked this video. I hope you guys have the best day. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.